Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at the SAT math question. The question is, if a plus bi and c plus di is a real number, which of the following statement must be true? So those are the choices. Okay, so let's expand that bracket. So we have a plus bi multiply c plus di. So we're told this must be a real number, meaning this must be some, let's call number x plus 0 times I, right? So that's just the real part. So let's work this out. So this one times this one, that's AC. Then this one and this one, that's AD times I. Then this one times this one, that gives you BCI. And finally, this one times this one will give you BDI squared. Now we just simplify. Now I squared is just -1. So let's put here negative BD. And then these two terms, I can factor the I. Okay, so notice this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So we want the imaginary part to be 0. Okay, that means that this bracket here should be 0. Which means that AD should be equal to minus BC. So that is the answer. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.